Hey there. In this video, I want to show you how ParsePrompt works, why you should use it, and how to get up and running in about 5 minutes. So at a high level, ParsePrompt allows content creators to repurpose content so that you can maximize distribution through other channels. So for example, let's say you're a YouTube creator and you want to write blog posts about the YouTube videos that you recorded. With ParsePrompt, you can do that, and you can leverage AI to do it at scale. Additionally, if you're a podcaster, you could take your audio clips and recordings and generate summaries that you could then use and post in social media and other places. So, long story short, it allows you to take a media input, whether it's a web page, an audio file, a YouTube video, an image, or even a PDF, and it allows you to run an AI prompt against that so that you can create net new content so that you can maximize distribution um, with little to no additional effort expended. So after you sign up for a ParsePrompt account, here's what you'll need to do. You'll need to have an OpenAI account or an Anthropic account. We use this because we want to leverage the best AI tech. And so what you need to do is input your API keys because we use that to help with our processing for AI. So it allows you to get the highest quality AI using ParsePrompt. Additionally, if you want um, to do YouTube or audio summarization, you will need to create an AssemblyAI account. This is a service that takes the media, turns it into a transcript, which we then use to push into our systems and run prompts against it. So long story short, let me show you how this actually works. After you sign up, you'll be presented with a template library. This gives you a few examples of the things that you can create. So for example, if I want to generate a blog post from a YouTube video, I would click on this prompt, and then I would be taken to a screen where I can customize this prompt. This allows you to create what we call a template. And this template you can use over and over and over again as many times as you want. So we give it a name, we give it an input source. And you can see here that we can accept a variety of different inputs, like a PDF, a web page, audio, image, YouTube. And then you can specify the output. So you could say, I want to render this in markdown. This is great for people who want to generate blog posts. You could say, I just want to generate normal text. That's possible too. Or you could, for technical people, you can generate the output in JSON. You also have the ability to pick and choose the different models. So you could use OpenAI, you could use Anthropic. So specifically, if you want to use Claude 100K for long form audio podcasts to summarize and generate content, we definitely recommend this model for that. You have the ability to select the number of tokens. So this gives you the ability to specify how long you want the output to be. The temperature allows you to kind of circulate through a more predictable output versus a more creative output. And you also have the ability to customize your prompt. This is where you can provide specific instructions for the AI to do, right? And so in this example, we say, hey, I want you to summarize and write a blog post based on this YouTube video. You can do that. And so after you've created the prompt, I'm not going to create this one because I don't want to clutter my account. But you can see different examples of things that I've already been working on. So I could tag images, I could summarize a podcast episode, I could summarize a PDF, I could summarize a web page. And here we go. I could convert YouTube to a blog post, right? And so in this example, I say, write a summary, but include three specific parts: an introduction, a summary, and key takeaways. So then what I would do is I would say, let's say I wanted to process data. I would simply need to provide a YouTube URL. If I want to process a lot of YouTube videos at once, I would need to download the CSV and then upload that file so that it could kind of do a batch process. But here's what happens. I process that data and then it shows up in the runs column. So you can see here's an example. I believe I have one. Um, so I took a YouTube video from my channel actually and told it to render and generate a blog post. You can see the introduction, the summary. I can see the whole output. I can see key takeaways. And here in the Analyze Text field, I can see how AssemblyAI converted that YouTube video into a transcript, made it usable, and then I ran the AI prompt against it and generated this output. And so it's really cool because what you can do is you can just be repurposing your content based on the instructions you provided. And AI makes this really, really, really easy. A couple other final notes. We do have a Zapier integration. So if you want, you can generate a prompt or you can run your prompt. So imagine if you wanted to summarize, a dozen PDFs, and let's say you wanted to take the output. So in this example, imagine if I wanted to take the output of this and save it in Google Drive, for example, or maybe I want to get a text message when this is done. I can use Zapier to do this. And so it enables you to plug into automation with over 6,000 apps. It makes it really, really powerful. So long story short, ParsePrompt allows you to repurpose your content so you can maximize distribution, get new customers, and gain more awareness. Um, you can try this product for free for 7 days. If you like what you see, the pricing starts at $25 a month. It's a little bit more expensive if you want to add multiple teammates, if you want to do video processing or audio processing. Um, but to summarize, ParsePrompt just makes it really easy to leverage AI to create content at scale based on a variety of different media inputs, whether it's PDF, image, web page, um, audio, or YouTube. So it's really multimodal AI at its core to make it easy for you to grow your customer base. Anyway, I hope that makes sense, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.